What if I told you that a single machine costing less than a used motorcycle could completely transform your finances? Today, I am breaking down the top 5 must-have packaging machines that big brands use them to turn cheap raw materials into millions. I'll show you exactly what you can make, price estimates, and how entrepreneurs are building 6-figure incomes with them. This video will save you thousands and make you thousands by boosting quality, slashing waste, and exploding your sales. Stay until the end because machine number 5 is one of the fastest growing opportunities and could be your ticket to financial freedom. Subscribe and let's dive in. 1. Liquid filling or packaging machine. Manual packaging is slow, inconsistent, wasteful, and kills profits. In 2026, small businesses using automation are cutting labor by 50% plus, reducing waste and scaling to wholesale levels. These machines deliver professional quality, longer shelf life, consistent fills, and premium look. Whether you are making supplements, cosmetics, or more, you can compete with big brands from home. Produce and package cooking oil, agricultural products, cleaning chemicals, liquid soap, shampoo, juice, drinking water, essential oil, pharma liquid, and more. A modern level entry automatic liquid machine can produce between 1,500 to 4,000 sachets per hour, depending on the model. Price estimates start from $300. Imagine creating a liquid soap brand and supplying shops in your community. A small liquid packaging machine plus liquid mixing machine can help you produce and sell packaged products from home like you are operating a real factory. 2. Can sealing machine. Across Africa, demand for convenient packaged products is increasing. People want products that are long-lasting and attractive. This machine can package energy drinks, fruits, sauces, fish or seafood products, processed food, ready-to-eat meals, and more. For instance, a fruit farmer can process mangoes or pineapples and create a longer-lasting product for high prices. Price estimates start from $250. 3. Vacuum packaging machine. Africa produces millions of tons of agricultural products every year, but some farmers lose money because products spoil before reaching customers. This is where vacuum sealer machine comes in. The machine removes air from packaging and helps products stay fresh for long. You can package meats, fish, spices, dried fruits or food, cheese, homemade snacks, and more. This machine is especially useful for farmers, butchers, food processors, and export businesses. Price for portable vacuum sealer starts from $70. 4. Powder filling and packaging machine. This machine has huge potential because Africa has a massive market for powdered products. Think about your kitchen. Almost every home uses flour, tea, seasonings, or spices, but many local producers still use manual packaging in polythene bags. This machine allows you to create professional products such as food supplements, pepper powder, seasonings, fruit or vegetable powder, protein powder, flour, and more. Price estimate is $200. Also invest in a simple grinding machine. Then buy raw spices or raw herbs in bulk, process and package them under your own brand and sell them directly to customers. 5. Paste filling and packaging machine. This machine is one of my favorites because Africa has incredible raw materials. We have honey, fruits, natural oils, herbs, and more, but many businesses sell them without adding enough value. A paste filling machine can help you turn local resources into premium products. You can produce peanut butter, honey, body creams, cosmetic products, tomato paste. Machine price estimate is $270. Imagine buying raw materials from farmers, processing them into premium products, putting your own brand label, and selling them in supermarkets. This is how small businesses become big companies. Start by registering your business, choosing a good location, and focusing on hygiene. Africa has resources, markets. Africa has young population with ideas like you. One simple upgrade can turn your ordinary product into a brand customers won't stop buying. Your packaging and branding are your silent salesperson. Use social media to market your products, offer delivery services, create a professional website for people to find your businesses from anywhere. Go and shine. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more valuable ideas.